Kalapan Iyer, and I'm back again to read 5 haiku from the book 101 Haiku written by my friend Dinesh Raheja. Here I go. Ah, no pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. I have the rainbow. The sun blushes red. His rendezvous with the moon has star witnesses. Don't echo, valley. You know my deepest secrets. Silence is golden. Evening exhales mist, blows it into the valley. Night inhales and sleeps. And now I shall read my favorite haiku in this segment. Under the sun's caress, the blushing leaves dance with joy. Betrayal at dusk.
Today we'll visit Asakusa, the ancient temple town of Tokyo. From the street across the temple, you can see the Tokyo Skytree, one of the tallest structures in the world. It looks as if it were a stone's throw away, but it is actually across the Sumida River. Next to it are the Asaya beer buildings. One of them is inspired by a beer glass with foam crowning it. The black building adjoining it has a structure atop which many Tokyoites refer to as the Golden Turd. You can see why. The Kamina Rimo gate guards the temple's grounds. I'm posing under the immense red and black paper lantern, which is called Chochin in Japanese, which weighs, hold your breath, 670 kilos. The serenity of the Sensoji temple is mesmerizing. Despite the clicking, chattering, milling crowds, I am at peace. I buy some incense sticks, place it in a pit, like I see the others do, and say my prayers. Believe it or not, my prayers are answered instantly. It's rare to spot a kimono in Tokyo, but not so at the buzzing Nakamisi Dori. Dori means street in Japanese, which is on the way to Sensoji temple. Many of the delicacies sold here center around the nation's obsession, green tea matcha, which finds its way into Kit Kat chocolates and ice cream flavors too. Here I am having, what else? Ice matcha. Buddhism and Shintoism coexist side by side in Japan. Right next to Sensoji temple is the centuries-old Asakusa shrine. The cherry blossoms seem to bless the lion-dog statue guarding it. That's all. Master Shike wrote, and I quote, "I want to sleep. Swat the flies. Softly, please." Time to pick up a new Japanese word along with me. How do you say why in Japanese? Well, there are 3 ways to say why in Japanese. And don't ask me why there are 3 ways to say why in Japanese. Why, naze, why, nande, why, dushe. I repeat, why, naze, why, nande, why, dushe. Is it time to say sayonara? Wait, not yet. Kalpana has something interesting to share with you.
I have something to tell to all of you all. I'm about to do something very special. I'm going to read 2 lines from the haiku in the next segment. I would like you all to complete it for me. And then we shall meet in the next episode to see what we've done. So here I go. Ancient Bodhi tree, I sat for hours in your shade. Now, what can be the 3rd line? You tell me.